2. Line. A line is one of the simplest elements of art. Lines are marks upon paper or canvas. They can be horizontal, vertical, curved, or any other shape. Art forms that use lines include drawings, paintings, and other two-dimensional art forms. Even a few sparing lines can create an interesting and meaningful work of art, which is one of the reasons why artists often spend so much time doing line work as practice. What is elements? Have you ever looked at an artwork and wondered how the artist decided to begin making it? All art, whether two-dimensional like a painting or three-dimensional, like a sculpture, contains one or more of the 7 elements of art. These elements are line, color, shape, form, value, space, texture,